So this is the entire model of Dubai Creek Harbour. That side is Russell Khor Wildlife Sanctuary. This is the Dubai downtown skyline, and these three phases are all already sold out. Phase 1, Phase 2, Phase 3. This phase is the new launch of Dubai Creek Harbour, which is known as the Green Gate. We are coming up with two towers, Altan and El Burro. Now the beauty of this phase is this is located right next to the upcoming Metro Line, Green Line Metro Station, and this will have the beautiful views of Russell Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, which is on that side. This will have the beautiful view of Al Badia Golf Course, and this side is going to be the view of downtown and the skyline. Now this is the only cluster which will have schools coming up in this entire area. Now why is this project a very good project for investment? Because the construction of the Creek Tower, which is going to be another iconic tower of Dubai, has already started, and this is just walking distance from the Creek Tower, and this entire tower will be ready in next 3 years by the time your property will be ready. Now let us understand this property in details. So these are the two towers, Al Burro and Altan. So this one is launching right now. This is going to be G plus 54 floors. Below three floors are the podium, the parking. Here it will be the restaurants and cafes. You will have kids pool and adults pool as well. You will have multiple amenities in the rooftop. Also, 1 bedrooms will be in the center and 2 bedrooms will be this side, and this side will be the view of Russell Khor Wildlife Sanctuary, unobstructed views, because here we have the Creek Gate where all the buildings are G plus 8. So your views will never be obstructed. This side you will have in the center 2 bedrooms, and on the corner 3 bedrooms with a beautiful view of the golf course community. And also this side you will have the view of the Creek Tower, which is again one of the iconic towers, and it's going to be honestly the next Burj Khalifa. The launch of this project is happening in next 2 days. The EOI submission is already started. Now again, understand there are going to be 5 buildings in this cluster. So we will have 5 buildings in this cluster. Right now only 2 are launching. The 3 more towers will be launched very soon. The first tower, which is the Al Burro, will always be the least price. So once all the towers will be launched, you automatically would have made at least 15 to 20% appreciation. Plus, all these community doesn't have any schools right now, but there are 2 schools coming up by GEMS in this community. Therefore, this community, these towers will definitely have higher rental income as compared to another towers. Also, it is located right next to the upcoming Creek Tower, which is going to be similar height of Burj Khalifa. So definitely this is going to be a very good investment option.